Deep in the forests of Australia, a remarkable creature roams. Meet the wombat, a stout and burrowing marsupial known for an unusual talent. Unlike any other animal, wombats produce cube-shaped poop. But why is their poop square? It turns out their intestines have regions with varying elasticity, which compress their waste into cubes during digestion. These cube-shaped droppings are more stable, allowing wombats to mark their territory without the risk of their scent markers rolling away. Scientists are fascinated by this phenomenon and study it to learn about biomechanics and even potential engineering applications. This quirky feature makes wombats one of nature's most fascinating engineers. Isn't the animal kingdom incredible?